welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Pope Francis urges unity and tolerance during Indonesia visit. Steve Jirwa reaches finals of India's Best Dancers Season 4. Family urges state to vote for victory. BSF soldier found unconscious in golf link. And HYC member questions government's anti-drug efforts amid spending discrepancies. And now the news in detail. Pope Francis has commenced a 3-day visit to Indonesia, the world's most populous Muslim majority country, with a message advocating for peace and religious tolerance. In his address on September 4th at the Merdeka Palace in Jakarta, the Pope emphasized the importance of mutual respect among Indonesia's diverse cultural and religious communities. Highlighting Indonesia's rich cultural tapestry, he referred to the Indonesian proverb Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, meaning unity in diversity, to illustrate the nation's ability to harmonize its varied ethnicities, languages, and religions. Meeting with Indonesian President Joko Widodo and government officials, Pope Francis called for a collective effort to foster unity, uphold human rights, and ensure sustainable development and societal peace. His visit also included engagements with Jesuits, bishops, priests, and young members of Scholas Occurrentes, underscoring his commitment to dialogue and cooperation among religious groups. With 87% of Indonesia's 275.5 million people identifying as Muslim and significant Christian and Catholic minorities, the Pope's visit underscores the global call for interfaith harmony and social cohesion. Steve Jirwa, a renowned dancer from Meghalaya, has advanced to the final round of India's Best Dancer Season 4, a prestigious Indian dance competition held in Mumbai. With the competition now focusing on both performance and public voting, Jirwa's mother Bibi Jirwa and his family are urging residents of Meghalaya to support him by voting via the Sony Live app. Steve Jirwa's participation has become a point of pride for his state, and his family believes that his potential victory would bring significant recognition to Meghalaya. Steve's success will not only honor him and his family, but will also bring glory to our state, said Bibi Jirwa. Voting is open through the Sony Live channel app, and the family is rallying local support to help Steve achieve his goal of winning the competition.
An sila mi kunjungan mal idam dam kajing yang kun ya ka Indian Best Dancer kajing sya menta iladan ko top 6 dan lalu menta Saturday lak sedang voting tengah kapan apa rak bawa ke Meghalaya jadi vote you Steve Jirwa nama ngaru ngadeng baduk nganga syubala ngadeng morway Steve Jirwa na do badapet ila suma ila pe email yang Steve Jirwa te ila ay sim hay meru yung Steve ngali balik balak ng judang iya te punyo nga ula mindan na do kandal sinan ula sedang lechat mentau la dak news na te mentau udang don long ngaru ko ban ay ban ra bu mo ka jila jini Steve Jirwa Hindi ko ang kaait ba burong kanya-kanya kasal din ako kijan. Nga ko akan manra ka burong ko manra ka ka propi. Tengah ko akan support yung siapa ba pagdatahan.
Ini ketika India Best Dancers kadi season 4 kaba dapat ko Sony TV. But kedua sikit ba pula ban Peit man kasih sajan ban kasih belai Khuborkhasi minit apa Sony lai man kasih Saturday Khuborjylla minit ban kasih belai Khuborkhasi minit Peit yang shot yang ini Samla Steve
kumbaga no dari spot kinong shot besi bentar ketika rensan
nong si bentar di labun ha memang ini bagi bangsa kajian kontes kalau komik yang mereka masuk kerik mahir Balpoy yang top 6 kamdeng kam kapasok. Hindi ha pagay iya ketika ngai iya ke comment jong ki judge nak bantah Steve. Kalau ba ay musim yang i kung kinong yalam jong ki nang shot mo kalau ba ay musim siya namar hat adu bagi ki judge comment jong ki kalau ba what ki point dan pasdang hat bantah yo abet 30 be. Kam duna ya tak point jong mo nado pasdang adu bakut adu bantah mo yo abet ke top be. Hakmat du be.
Final lima.
Dan ketika top 6 ke one week final ke kan baklan man boy ke cuma sekmat nembang rakyat minta kata ya final rakyat ada buat keladon ada buat baik ya kita ke baklan man buat kita ke sejok lima ketika voting nanti kita sudah kita kan setang ada buat
Nanti lah su lah kris tang hangnya setang kebun.
Penubut bentuk bentuk.
Bentuk.
Kaya Khubor kesong be kesong jong pertang Khubor. Namanya ya kalau ada mereka ke apps ke apps itu kita klik dan tu masih klik itu ketika India Best Dancers terus klik itu bisa salah bah kantor jong Steve his klik be kantor jong Steve but kalau Khubor jadi mata ini.
On September 4th at 11 a.m., the Neutrab Youth Council HYC reported an unconscious BSF soldier found engulfing. Suspected to be under the influence, the soldier was discovered resting and appeared disoriented. The Pasture Beat House police station was notified, and officers quickly transported the soldier to a hospital for medical attention. Sources revealed that 2 BSF personnel had entered engulfing earlier that morning, carrying only a tiffin. The investigation into the incident is ongoing.
Alright. Kung na kinanduti jaing kumne. Kamu nak kiyok rung mana?
Hani itu hirum perpangat. Iyo ini.
Hah?
Sampai sekolah Jawa, ada yang kan.
Ada kan dah?
Information pi ya kan ni.
Doh, mendaga step jongga Southrik September naliang jongga seng kumbapi ratib lasaki. Nado ka ski kabanikong kabangilaya shimikarai banikun persya ya kanika jinjilai jongki nongdi bat nong de yau drak sapo kabri new trap away. Tingila continue nakawi kasi shikui pat. Tang meski step ro ngilai tamit ngilai bat hak ni ka step ka bomta nagleng jongi yo ki complaint lani ka jing ujor na ki ba ka ishan kmat ekibre ki barong ni po gofling te habang ngila rong hang ni ngila persang ban thot bat ban lam bat ngila lap hero kidon ka to ka ningot ya ka ba pilai i link bat videos ki ngila share sapi te kaya ka ba sumsi ka lang ba tang bangilap itiki Samla laniki nong pendankam yakiniki syringe ba kidang yadung ba plan ngilap ane ba kidang yadung syringe plan di ngilap ro hakaju kapor ba uway naki sipai BSF ba kerteng Jalil Ansari ulathia hangne bat kata kajing thia kalau pen lengo yang ini nomor bagadi kerja kumuang ba meneng ngidang ya thot ngidang ya thong ya kini kibre ki bawan ra ya kini kimat kamu mod you drugs tiyong ni Jalil Asari ni suba ba ulathia hangne tham te bru show hado ba wat ni kibre jo nga ai ro ka bomod naka leng please apo pasture dai kilewan gi tho ba kam dai tang ba consume la ne udi la pen kam tang awe ka ching di hot sma kian o ringilo suba bayo ba unir u pen kam lam ta ka ju jing di ka ba lakta ya ka chai ben reu chong ti nasuka bon ong si kedien kom ne ngi hi ha ka jing sisa ngi kwa ba kita gi BSF kumbalong mentaka situation la ne ka jinglong jingman po Bangladesh kalakta ba ka don sibut ka huri-hura bat kalapan seir ya ka ya kisnong bordar jong jaban riu jongi laringi pai tigi than dauki ladan bela pentep ba kilawan rung bean kiniki Bangladeshi siapa uput sam jonga brik neutrap jongi ban wanori dengan kidon ro kibreu kibai thu hagini lanya balat na ter seduk serun ko jahaji sangi ngi ko bani BSF bakin long kinong Peit perman ya unu boundary.
On September 4th, Ba En Lang Sawian of the Nyotrep Youth Council HYC addressed the Shillong Press Club, raising concerns about the government's anti-drug initiatives under the DREAM project. Following a Right to Information RTI request for 2023 and 2024, Sawian revealed that the government had sanctioned a budget of 6.90 crore rupees for the project. Of this, 6 crore 76 lakh and 6,032 rupees were reportedly spent. Additionally, 1 crore rupees was allocated specifically for the DREAM project, with 20 lakh rupees used for an anti-narcotics day program. Sawian questioned the effectiveness of these expenditures, asking, with such significant funds allocated and spent, why does the state still grapple with widespread drug issues and users? The query highlights growing concerns about the impact and transparency of the state's anti-drug efforts.
Number of cases yang kawan kalian police department kala yo pan register ini license ngila palo ini details ke bidai initiative yang kawan kalian ke sokar kalian tunjuk ke police ila shim kabinay man yakon pa siya drugs bila jalay apo kini jala juni ngila pano kini details kabinay details of awareness campaign bagi programs dan conduct ng kalian ka social welfare o kumjuro kalian tunat pulit ngila pano ya ki details haror ki specialized team kipan yakon pa siya ya ka ikinong kay drugs kamtame ya ka jing shalang drugs nasabar ka jala hangi apo jala ka juni nang taro ngila pan ya ka details halor ka budget ya kapala sanction but ya kapala allocated syapok Khubor Meghalaya jumi harobede but kumno ke dikon persya drugs nang tagi la pano kiwe details bakun tobro ki number of police personnel ki pula specialized but deployed dikon persya ya kene ka drugs but kumjoro ilapan kiwe ki details bakun tobro ki rehabilitation programs kumjoro ki support services ya kapa kalian kesukaan Meghalaya kanale but katkum ka reply ka pamilyo kini kilong ki reply ni katkum ka RTI ke jumi kumi habang ilakli halo pede work blocks ilakli hakaba ki number of arrest ya kapa kalian juga kena pulit hakni ki light system kala yo katkum ka kuat ke jumi kalau hado mentah larangi compare system kini kata nabu paraja arthong ki number of arrests yang kapan kalian juga pulit kilale kalau hado mentah total kalau sanspa sangwut di arrest kiba nakalian pulit kala shim but arrest ki drugs peddlers nata gila yoro ya reply kabine but ka case register but dispose but total juga dinero kalau hado mentah kini kilai sosnan kalau ki case kibaran register hakalen ki.
During his visit to Indonesia, Pope Francis addressed Catholic leaders at the Cathedral of the Assumption of Mary in Jakarta, emphasizing the need for openness and inclusivity within the Church. Addressing bishops, priests, religious and seminarians on September 4th, the Pope acknowledged Indonesia's societal challenges, including ethnic discrimination, poverty and corruption. He encouraged the Church to be a beacon of unity and harmony, reflecting its mission through acts of faith, friendship and service. Pope Francis highlighted that, despite Indonesia's complex social landscape, the Catholic Church must strive to be welcoming, especially to marginalized communities. You were born for unity and harmony, he said, urging church leaders to embody these values in their daily work. The Pope's visit, part of a broader tour of the Pacific islands of Asia and Oceania, also focused on strengthening the faith of Catholics across Indonesia, which comprises 37 dioceses and 1 military ordinariate. He expressed hope that church leaders would help build a compassionate society dedicated to alleviating poverty and addressing societal fears, thus reinforcing the true spirit of brotherhood as taught by the Church. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.